The most famous DP vessels in offshore provide auditory or group of people are anchor handling vessels and offshore supply vessels. Those vessels are very often equipped with DP system, and very often DPO acquires first experience on board on anchor handling or supply vessel. The difference between anchor handling and supply vessel is in arrangements of the vessel and power in use by those two vessels. Supply vessel typically has a wider deck without open stern and has less powerful propulsion compared to anchor handling tug. Supply vessel typically developed for purposes to deliver passengers, crew, or goods to the offshore structures like drilling rigs or any other offshore units. And also they may pick up back cargo or backloading from the offshore structure, including trash and other unneeded things, and may deliver them to the final port. The main interesting attribute for both vessels is that those vessels, when operate on close proximity to the final object, they are working from the stern bridge, or in other words, they proceed with the stern ahead towards the object for approach. And those vessels typically have DP station installed at the stern view, and the starting DPO very often when use auto position modes confused about the direction to make the set point, because direction to make set point is true and true based on the size of the vessel. But when you staying with the face towards the stern of the vessel, then from your right hand you have the port side of the vessel, and you might be very careful with the offsets implemented, because if you want to go to your right hand direction, you have to implement port side offset for the vessel. Anchor handling tugs compared with offshore supply boats have open deck equipped with a stern roller, an area for anchor handling purposes, with a set of equipment to assist the anchor handling process. Here we have different type of tiger winches, which are additional winches. Then on board of the anchor handling tug you will have anchor handling winch with needed capacity of wire and needed safe weight load, and the deck of the anchor handling tug will be partially made in from metal without wooden cover, that to organize the sliding effect of metal anchor on the metal deck. Normally, anchor handling tug has a great power capacity in many times or in few times compared with offshore supply boat of the same dimensions. And the purpose of that vessel is differ compared with the supply boat. Anchor handling tug also as the offshore supply boat may take part in delivery goods and passengers, and also both of them may take part in rescue operations at sea.